Every toilet seat sanitizer spray claims 99% germ kill, dermatologically tested, lab certified. And it's probably even true. But here's the question nobody's asking. क्या वो 99% UTI होने से बचा रहे हैं क्या? What they are actually trying to claim. Because the mechanism of how you actually contract a UTI has almost nothing to do with what's sitting on that seat. UTIs are ascending infections. मतलब the organism E. coli, which usually causes the UTI, travel the fecal, perineal and urethral axis. मतलब anus से निकलकर it travels all the way to the urethra. मतलब it's your own flora, not something you picked up off a surface. Also हमारी intact skin एक solid barrier है, मतलब मोटी चमड़ी. And there's no real evidence that seat contact translates to bladder infection. मतलब spraying the seat is solving a problem which wasn't even a problem in the first place. So what's the actual mechanism? Well, voiding is a washout system. Every time you pee, you flush out any bacteria that manage to ascend into the bladder before they get a chance to adhere to the urothelium. मतलब bladder की surface से चिपकने से पहले ही हमने उसे निकाल दिया. Now holding urine for hours, like during travel, in OTs, in examination hall, we just give those organism the dwelling time. मतलब अब वो चिपक जाएंगे. और अब कोई इंटेलिजेंट बंदा बोलेगा, why don't you hover? Well, you are adding another cherry on the top. Hovering may prevent complete pelvic floor relaxation. So some women don't completely empty their bladder due to no proper detrusor sphincter coordination. And if this becomes a habit, the residual urine itself is a known risk factor for UTI. फिर एक और ज्ञानी आता ज्ञान देने कि पानी ना पियो, ना रहेगा बांस, ना बजेगी बांसुरी. अब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? लेस यूरिन आउटपुट, लेस frequent voiding and less flow based clearance. So there is no good evidence that toilet seats are a significant source of uncomplicated UTIs. But the fear which makes us devise different options to avoid that seat, like holding, hovering and delaying the water intake, may cause the UTI. So should you stop using the sprays? No, genuinely keep using it if it gives you peace of mind and makes you use the washroom. That's not the issue. The issue is the claim. मतलब reduces the risk of UTI, which implies a clinical outcome that was never even tested. What was tested was the germ kill on the surface, and those two are completely different endpoints.